What I've tried that did not work: hair tonic and serum. Why did I try this instead of medication first? Well, simply because I just wanted to, since it's a tonic or a shampoo, serum is like not a medicine, it should have less side effects and it's natural. It's less harmful to the body than a medication. So I tried it. I tried like Butera. You can find it at Watson's, Guardian, drugstores. I bought so much. I bought the serum, I bought the tonic, I bought the shampoo, I even bought the ampule. I think this cost me close to $300-400. And I bought in, like, the mistake I did was I bought it in bulk because it was like a, I don't know, Black Friday sales, that sort of. I tend to buy in bulk, so all at once and then use it. I tried it for like 6 months, 1 year, hoping the result would come. It did not. Tried not just this brand, like Korean brands, which didn't work. Okay. The next one is TCM, traditional Chinese medicine, and now you see a pattern in the things I'm going for. I'm going for less. I'm going for things that deem as non-medicine. TCM, I went for acupuncture. So they put like needles on the head to activate the acupuncture points to make sure that the blood circulates to that area to give rise to hair growth in that area. So I did that for 1 year. And then another thing that I've tried is Chinese herbal hair mask, where you go to the salon, you wash your hair clean, they will wash your hair clean for you, and then they put on this herbal mud, Chinese herbal mud recipe on you, and then you sit there for an hour and let it steam. Didn't work. It's Hairmax. This is like a laser hairband where you do it like just like that. It will shine some, I don't know, I think this is infrared, so you just do it like this, place it here, you can hear the vibration, and then you move, and then you repeat about 4 times. You will complete the whole head, and then this would like I don't know, it will stimulate hair growth. Did it work for me? I'm not sure, honestly. I'm honestly not sure about this, but because I use it religiously at the start with a combination of medicine, so maybe it did, or maybe it did not. So I'm not sure about this. This is expensive. I advise you to get this now if you are experiencing hair loss. No, not now, because there are other cheaper options that you should start right now with faster results that is more effective.